Hey guys, it's me Soumya and welcome back to my channel. Valentine's week is here and so am I with a new DIY gift idea. This pillowcase makes a perfect gift for couples. If you want to know how I made it, then let's get started. Take a square cushion cover. I had this rectangle one, so I transformed them into the size I actually wanted, but you don't have to go that extra mile. You can totally skip this process. Once that's done, I went ahead and free-handed what I wanted to write. So I wrote Mr. Right and Mrs. Always Right. Then I went over it with an acrylic paint. As you can see, the letters are not looking perfect, but you can correct them with a white paint. It requires some time and a lot of patience, guys, and trust me when I say this. But the recipient will be more than happy and on cloud 9 to receive this, as this reflects the amount of hard work you have put to make that person feel special. Similarly, I made another one that says Mrs. Always Right. Then I let it dry for quite some time and then go ahead and insert your cushion cover and the DIY pillows are ready. You can totally customize it by either writing the person's initials or his or her name, and this makes a perfect gift not only for couples but anyone would be happy to receive it. So that's it for this video and I really hope you guys liked it, and if you did then you know the drill, just hit on the like button and do share it with your friends. Until next time, bye.